Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about chicken, whole chicken, and potato salad right here, and Greek salad. I got myself a little garlic sauce for the chicken. Yep, so this all sort of goes together, potato salad and chicken. So guys, I'm wondering how am I going to tackle this chicken, guys? Got any suggestions? I said my prayers, guys, so let's get going. Go. Okay. I'm trying to think how am I going to tackle this. Okay. Oh yeah, I got my scissors. Pew pew. And then I got my spoon. Okay. Listen, I'm just going to start off with the wing. Sometimes they leave a couple of feathers, you know, because they think that, you know, we might not see it and then we'll eat it, eh? They should clean up their chicken. Don't want the chicken flying away when I'm trying to, you know, like, messy. Anyway, guys, there's a bit of skin there. That's for you. The flavour. Charcoal. Well, you know what's funny? Funny. I just started my mukbang, and while I was getting it ready, my daughter rings from work. She's on a lunch break. Then I grabbed this wing, and my sister rings up. So I had to stop for a little while, so I can go and just let her know I'm doing my mukbang. Okay, so I gotta ring her up after I do my mukbang. Okay, guys, so come on, let's continue on our lunch. Yeah, whalawe maya, e whaikako lunch. Yeah. I love chocolate chicken. Who loves chocolate chicken? Oh, I do. We do. See the burnt bits? People chuck it away. I don't. I like to taste the flavour of it. Who's a bone muncher? I am. That's why it takes longer to eat, because, you know, you're too busy munching on these bones. I don't know. You guys are probably going, aye. Bone muncher. Bone muncher. Go yeah. How are you guys going? Huh? I'm glad you're here to join me. I just used this on this, but I took it by hangings. Can't believe it. And guess what, guys? Can you hear? No dogs outside barking. Wait, hang on. Knock on wood, they don't start barking, and birds don't start, making that loud noise they always do. Birds. They love coming around when I do my mukbang. Guys, look at this. Now back in the days, you see a movie and you see the big guys go. Nó phải lá xìm nhá. Nó phải đi lynches. Mà ngay này mẹ. Very nice. Oh, guys. Got a pineapple drink, cheers. It's a pineapple cordial drink. I prefer cordial. As I said before, hello, behind you. It's got more water. Okay. Hey, imagine that you go to a family going, hey, and then they haven't chopped up the chicken, you pick it up and you start eating it like this. You know what? You'll get a forehead. Your head will be scarred. By the auntie, by the grandma, by the mama, by the papa, yeah. That's you about. Mm. Mm. So fascinating out here. Anyway, guys, I've got to do my thumbnail. What you got to eat? I hope you got something to eat. Because I'll tell you what, when I watch people's mukbang sometimes, I am starving for what they're eating. Nice. Nice cucumber. Very nice. The potato salad got an egg. I didn't make any of this, right? The only thing I made was the cordial. Yeah, I went down to the Chargoal chicken place down in Plumpton in New South Wales. There's a Plumpton down in Melbourne, but it's a Plumpton in New South Wales. Guys, have some Greek salad. Olive, cucumber, and a bit of cheese. Oh, and an onion. Nice. This is really nice. You can see the egg. That's the egg white, egg yolk, and potato. And whatever else they put in. With the other wing. No feather on that one. Some places, man, you buy their chicken, yeah, they got so much feather you can make a pillow out of it. Oh yeah. Yum. This chicken's still moist. So you know, it just finished hot cooking, I said. Man, sometimes I fold myself out. It just finished got cooking. I just finished cooking. Yeah. Okay, wait. So how am I going to put out the sentence? It just finished cooking. I am. Woohoo! Right? What was I saying before? Just finished got cooking. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Gotta chew on my bone. Excuse me, guys. Man, this is nice and moist. Thank you, Plumpton Chicken Place. I don't even know. Should have got their card so I could tell you guys where to go and get you guys some. But if you're local, the place is just next to the post office. Okay, guys? So if you go there and see the post office, you pop over and buy some of this. Okay? They got about 5 different flavoured chicken. And today, I picked the Portuguese. Yeah, I hope I'm saying it right. You know what? What mayonnaise do you like? I know most people like best food. Me, I like Praise mayonnaise, okay? I don't even make it Australia. Get eat what? I think so. Okay guys. 60 legs lang ay mea ang. Alright. Korea. Korea de boca de chicken. Vai full sabadi de king. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, I love the pau. I love the chicken skin. They're so messy today, mate. They're so messy today. What were you? What? What are you? Yeah, is it? Yeah, oh my. Oh, take a bite, take a bite. Yeah, see, you may see garlic sauce there. Put on top. Bite, like. It's so moist. This is the second time she's rung up. Oh my goodness. You know when you get disturbed while you're eating and then you lose your appetite? You know that feeling? Well, it ain't happening here because this chicken is too good for that. The nuisance of a daughter. Yes. I think I just threw away a good bit. Come back here. Hey, go here, go here. Go here. I would find my word me. I will. Okay, Lord. Get I left here. So I'll fight my mom, my I. Yeah, it's got. But I'm my mouth. Yeah, I. Do you know a lot of times when I can't figure out a word in Samoa, I always ask my mum or I ask my big sister. Because out of all of us, she's the one that can speak Samoan better than us. And I asked my mum, because there's still words I can't put together. I know, but hey, I'm glad that our parents made sure that we only speak Samoan to them. Hey, because now, you know how they say, oh, she knows 2 languages? Oh, yeah. It's good to know 2 languages, guys. So it's good if our parents, always speak our tongue to us, and we have to speak it back because then you're going to grow up, have no hassle. No hassle. Like whakatari to other people talking. Is that her still sending message? Oh, Sharon, stop. That girl. She got the worst timing ever. I nearly bit my lip in. See what she's doing? She's like trying to be a pest to me. Trying to live my life. No. Le pelapa I ngari meat. No, here we go. You know what? We're probably finished, and I've still got a lot of salad. Yep. Bye. Maar is hij mooi. Nou, is hij meer even vlees soep. Perfect. Hey, lover. Praise God for this beautiful food. Lovely. Beautiful. We're so fortunate, eh, guys? We really are. Since that leg was nice. Yeah. Got a Melissa leg. Yeah. I mean, is it? Oh. You know what? You know the muli babies? This is a muli chicken. Muli chichi. And the other one's Muri Bibi. This one's Muri Gigi. I'll give it for the cat. I've got to give it for my cat, Cookie. Okay. Here we go. Right. Look at that, guys. Look. Moist. Right. Look. Alright. Moist. So lovely. I'm not joking. Yeah. Dip back with it. I remember I used to watch those movies. Those Viking movies, and they talk on the table. They get their beer. And I like them. Ko kikia mole le whai o ngei acting o le movie nenga wa ai ai. O ko kai, e ko lola ia, o mo fwere fia acting na favourite movie nga wa ai la so e. Nga le mea lawa ai pua ai ai man mea o ma whape ngai mawa. Ai le Mole Academy Award wai doa. Yeah, lawa. Oh! My poor scarf, I just finished washing it. La kanina for the video. Okay. I hate to tease you guys. I hate teasing you guys with my food. Yeah. So good. That's so good. That's so good. I want to chew and crunch on this, but there's one in there. Never mind. The poor cat gotta have something to chew on too, you know? Just found out he's a gummer. We used to think he's a gay, our cat. But yeah, the neighbours said, can't you see those two little ding down there? And I'm if you spy my ding this pussy. Anyway, go away if I don't neighbour. Well, you know, guys, I better do my drink. Yeah, you sit first, then me. Oh, that's lovely. It's a pineapple cordial. Yeah, you need this little much. This little much. Oh my, fop out. Okay, and you need this little bit. Then the rest is water. See, that's will make you healthy. Because it's only got a little bit of cordial. And a whole heap of, oh hey, you know when you see those people that eat this and then they turn around and eat that? The cookie can do that. For a beer cookie. This is how the cat would do it. You look at it going, oh, I just want to bash her with this. Oh, I just want to find out if that's true. When I see Cookie, we're having talks. How's the fella's week been? Thank you so much, guys. You guys are leaving so many comments. Talking about comments, oh, I got a shout out today, guys. Shout out. You know what? You know why I came up with that idea of shouting randoms and anyone that comments on my videos? Because all along, I always think about, you know, when I used to watch YouTube channels, and I used to read, hey, I'm so nosy. I go read all these lovely comments, you know, from people to other YouTubers. I know sometimes when you got so many comments and you don't have the time, you think, oh. But I read them and they're so beautiful to whoever they're watching, whoever they watch that time. And the comments are just so beautiful. And I think, oh, I want to comment them and say, oh, thank you, even though it wasn't to me, it wasn't towards me, but I just think, oh, they need some, you know, some love, acknowledgement. So I think, nah, I want to do that for me, for my channel. I want to show people that, you know, take the time to leave nice, beautiful comments on my videos, that I'm going to reply to them. And so for those that goes on my videos way previously, sorry if I haven't come back to comment to you, okay guys? But now I'm gonna do that thing. When I see you guys comment, maybe I won't come back and reply to you, but I'll give you a shout out just to show I appreciate it. Okay guys? It's so lovely. So lovely. This is a good food today. Good kai, guys. Good kai. You know, my mum, she had some chicken. She had chicken fingers, apple juice. She doesn't like, she used to be a salad fanatic. She used to love salad. One of her favourite food was coconut cream, cucumber, tomato, onion, and a tayo, and a bit of lemon. And you sort of mash up the tayo, and there we go. It's like a oka e Hey, isn't oka raw? Hey, no, well, yeah. Wait, I should have chucked in the tissues in there. Fa bear cookie. Kere bea, mai anga po ngā iwi, ako mai mga solo whawhango, ni mea ola. Ko kiki up, okay, yeah, I just want to know if that's what he's saying to me. Oh, I really do. I really do. Oh my God. Oh, just forgot. Just remember the shout out saying. Yep. I cucumber. Yeah, awesome. I nearly lost a tooth. Look! Usually it's got no pips. Oh no, not really, some do. I thought, I went to bunch, we'll go over, I maybe see the king you're the dentist. Okay guys, I got some shout outs. Oh, sometimes the neck of the chicken, if it's in soy sauce, excuse me, if it's in soy sauce that you roasted in with some nice oil, it's so yummy. Chicken necks. I'm just eating this. There's a reminiscing. More than that. Oh my God. Yeah. I love it a lot. Okay, guys. Man, I shot more I did like wait a so I can do my shout out. Okay, guys. Okay, you guys help yourself. Wait a minute, help yourself when I do the shout out. Wait a minute. It's supposed to bring me some wipes so I can have clean hands. Dirty my book. Buckaroo the business. Hey, like they say, buckaroo the business, mate. Yeah, I would have buckaroo for you. Yeah, me. If I could shout out. Shout out time, guys. Okay, here we go. Wait, okay. Hang on, guys. Tadi aku nunga de lau mukbang again. Okay, here we go. So the first one I want to shout out today, guys, is an Indian girl by the name of SANUSHKA. MANILAL, that's the first shout out. Thank you very much for stopping by. Yeah, you did mention that I should try the Indian sweets. Yeah, I'll try. My only favourite Indian sweets, because I've tried a lot of them when I was in Papatoetoe, New Zealand, in Auckland. I tried so many. It was so yum, but then it got a bit sweet. But I found out that my favourite one is that orange twirly whirly one. I love it with sour tea. That's got a crunch, it's got a sweet, it's got a yum. Okay, anyway, so thank you, SANUSHKA. So the next shout out is for Emerald Pools, okay? That's Emerald Pools. I didn't know if it's a pool company or whatever, but they made a comment on my my video, guys, okay? The next one is Joshua NASILAI. Okay, hello Joshua. Roses M. Hello Roses. What a nice name, okay? And the other one is Mr. 8. Mr. 8, okay, guys? Hello, Mr. 8. And hello to JAYRUSK. Hello, JAYRUSK. And BAZI JOELZ, okay? BAZI JOELZ, hello. Exactly. That's the only name that was there. I saw you comment. Thank you very much. And Cosmic KC, okay? And 2 more to go. That's for Sammy Smith. And last but not least, Soteria Yopu. Okay? Yopu. So Soteria. Oh, man, this name must be nice to pronounce, and I'm pronouncing it wrong. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for leaving comments and stopping by. You know, I appreciate it. Thank you, PolyTube, for, you know, putting all the islanders together for all their videos. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and all the PolyTubers. And thank you also for other people's YouTube channels. Hey, guys, they started it, eh? Like, they started it, the OG. The OG. Who's OG? Who remembers who started YouTube? Does anyone know who's the first YouTuber ever? Leave a comment down if you know, okay, guys? I would like to know. I don't even want to Google that one. I want to hear if anyone knows, okay, guys? Okay, because I'm dying to wash my hands. The worst thing you can have is stink hands, stink face, stink everything. Oh, you got to be clean. Okay, guys? Anyway, praise the good Lord for the food that you eat. Praise the good Lord for everything and waking up every day, you know. Take care, guys. Be good to everyone, but listen, go and get your camera and, you know, upload and come and let me know that you're just started, so I can come and try and watch and show some support, show some love, subscribe, you know, all that stuff. Yeah, okay. Oh gosh, it's nearly morning and I'm still talking. Okay, goodbye, guys. This is the last goodbye. Wait, if I can't say more, yeah, no, wait. Lovely cordial. Man, I can make cordials that's good. Unless it's, you know, you run out, then you got to put a bit of sugar in there. Okay. All right. Be good to one another, guys. Cross the road properly. Look both sides. Always praise God for the love and all the food, all the clothes, all just waking up every day. Okay, guys? Don't forget to say your prayer daily and just to thank Him for everything. Wailua. You cannot. Okay, bye, guys. I was just about to start a Bible study. Ia oloa. Whasoi fua. You guys have a good day. Good night. Wherever you are watching from. And I hope you guys had some food, because I don't want you guys to, you know, have a rumbling stomach while you guys are watching me. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Love you and leave you. You know, I know. I've got to try and get out of here now. Wailua. Wha.